Here is not just a change of date. It is a silent question life asks you again. Are you finally ready? Or will you repeat the same story? Every year we promise ourselves, this year I will change. This year I will work harder. This year I will become successful. But let's be honest, most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they start the year with motivation and end it with excuses. The problem is not the goal. The problem is consistency. You don't need 100 resolutions. You need one clear decision. I will not live this year the same way I lived the last one. Understand this truth today. Goals don't change life. Habits do. If you wake up late, waste time, fear failure, and wait for perfect, then even the best goals will die silently. This new year, don't ask, what do I want? Ask, who do I need to become? Because success is not about luck. It is about discipline when no one is watching. There will be days you feel tired. There will. There will be days you feel lost. There will be days when quitting feels easier. But remember, pain of discipline is temporary. Pain of regret is permanent. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation comes after action, not before it. Even if you improve just 1% every day, in 1 year, you will be unrecognizable. This year, promise yourself 3 things. I will show up even when I don't feel like it. I will stop making excuses for my weakness. I will respect my future more than my comfort. The world doesn't reward intentions. It rewards execution. So when this year ends, don't say, I tried. Say, I became stronger. I became disciplined. I became unstoppable. This is not just a new year. This is your last chance to change your direction. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Because 1 year later, you'll wish you had started now. Thanks for watching.